We're going to shift direction for today's Bluebooking video and discuss some of the technology and software available to help you write your briefs and memos. There is an actual Bluebook online. You can purchase a subscription from the publisher, which gives you access to the entire Bluebook through your browser. Although it is simply a digital copy of the book, it does have a full text search, so you don't need to flip through the index every time you need to find something. Your print copy of the Bluebook may have come with a free trial to the online version, or you can just purchase it on the website. Regardless of whether you have the Bluebook online, you should know that Table T2 for foreign jurisdictions can only be found online. You will be directed to the website if you look for it in the physical Bluebook. Another thing is that though there are no explanations, there is a quick style guide for the white pages of the Bluebook. It covers just about every major type of citation you will run into. Although the major legal databases have come up with ways to spit out case citations with at least a passing resemblance to the Bluebook, we've already highlighted some of the pitfalls of using automatic citation generators in Westlaw and Lexis. But let's take a closer look at what's available. Both Lexis and Westlaw have ways to help you draft. Lexis works as a plugin for Microsoft Word. You can jeopardize, cite, check the accuracy of your quotes, and build your table of authorities as you write. Westlaw Drafting Assistant allows you to upload your document, where the program will then check your citations, build your table of authorities, and flag any mismatch between a citation and title and document, or any inconsistencies. For those of you who relied on Purdue OWL's website or Son of Citation Machine for your citations to MLA or APA format in your undergraduate studies, it may come as a surprise that there was no equivalent website for the Bluebook until a few years ago. A student at Cornell created Citus Legalis, and it's a very handy tool for creating citations. It's not perfect though. At the time this presentation was recorded, only the sections for cases, periodicals, and books were working. Also, you should know that it gives the citation in the form meant for law reviews, not academic papers, and when you copy and paste, any small caps are lost in the process. The website provides a manual entry form where you enter the necessary information, and then the citation is generated. This means you need to know the right information to enter. If you enter the wrong information, whether that means putting it in the wrong field, including too much information, or just typing it incorrectly, you will get a funky-looking citation. The example on this slide is what happens when all the information is entered correctly. The example here is what happens when the information is entered incorrectly. We aren't supposed to have a month and a day for the date of a law review. This tool doesn't mean you can skip over learning the Bluebook. You still have to be able to enter the right information and know enough to be able to catch any mistakes the generator makes. If you aren't sure what the form is asking for in a particular field, hover your mouse over the question mark and it will give an explanation. In next week's video, we'll be discussing citations to the internet and non-legal sources.